Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management. We're here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, and I have some exciting news to bring to you today that myself, along with Nexus Property Management, we are purchasing and renovating the formerly known as Sacred Heart Church, okay? This is a beautiful building. It's compassed by three different structures. We have the church itself, the rec center, and then we have the rectory as well, which is 3 stories. And on top of that, we have a parking lot that will comfortably fit 100 cars. There's green space, there's communal space. It's a total win, and we hope that ZDS, our architects that we've engaged, can make this plan happen. We're looking for 20 to 25 apartments, okay? Not condos, apartments. And we want to contribute to Rhode Island and Woonsocket's housing availability. As we all know, Rhode Island, Woonsocket, we are not seeing enough new housing units brought to market. And just in the last 3 years in Woonsocket, only 60 new units have been brought on the scene. This will take care of 1 year's quota like that. Okay, so we hope to bring you more news on this soon, but wanted to let you know the former Sacred Heart Church will be turned into luxury apartments.